Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to level up your blogger site with a custom favicon? That's tiny icon in the browser tab? Yeah, that one. Let's add your in just a few steps. First, log in to your blogger account and choose the blog you want to edit. Now look over to the left hand menu and click on settings. Scroll down just a little until you find the section that says favicon. You will see something like this. Click on choose file to upload your custom icon. Pick the image you want to use as your favicon. Ideally it should be a square image and around 100 into 100 pixels work perfectly. Blogger supports .ico, .png and .jpg, so you have got options. Once your image is uploaded, scroll down and hit the big orange save button in the bottom right corner. Give it a moment and boom, your custom favicon will show up in browser tabs, bookmarks and mobile preview. That's it, one little icon, big upgrade. Got more blogger questions? Let me know below. And don't forget to like and follow more for more quick tutorials.